Hello everyone, welcome back to Anshul Gupta MD, your trusted resource on everything related to thyroid. Lot of people keep on asking me this question about what is the best oil that they can use, especially if they have a thyroid disorder. Olive oil has become very popular recently and a lot of people are using it. But they have these questions whether olive oil is really that good for thyroid and what is the best way of using olive oil. Because there are some myths and some concerns about cooking with olive oil and about the smoking point. So today I want to discuss everything related to olive oil and also want to bust all the myths which are associated with olive oil. So let's get started. So let's first discuss, like why olive oil is so popular and what are all the benefits, if any, that olive oil can provide to your thyroid. First of all, olive oil is getting more popular because it has all good fats which your body needs. Now, fat has become very unpopular because everybody feels every fat is bad for you. But our body needs fat, especially good fats. Olive oil has mono unsaturated fat called oleic acid. This oleic acid has shown in several research studies that Mediterranean diet is the best diet, and one of the cornerstone of this diet is this oleic acid in olive oil. It has shown that people who consume regular olive oil on the regular basis, they have less amount of the bad cholesterol, which is the LDL. So definitely olive oil is good for your thyroid gland because most of the people with thyroid disorders have bad cholesterol which is on the higher side. Second benefit of olive oil is that it is high in polyphenols. These polyphenols are powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in your body. The two polyphenols that olive oil has is hydroxytyrosol and oleocanthal. These two polyphenols in research studies have shown that they are powerful antioxidants that can lower inflammation in the body, can help support your thyroid gland by lowering the thyroid antibodies and improving your thyroid numbers. The third benefit of olive oil is that it is antibacterial in properties. It has shown in several research studies that if people consume olive oil on the regular basis, they can actually eradicate that H. pylori infection in their gut. H. pylori is an important bacteria that sometimes can trigger Hashimoto's disease. So by eradicating H. pylori and the bad bacteria from your gut, olive oil can again improve your gut function. The fourth benefit, a lot of people who are consuming fat is that they will gain extra weight. Now in several research studies, olive oil has shown to be either weight neutral or actually can help people to lose weight. So olive oil actually boosts your metabolism and again because of the good fats into it actually helps your body to burn the bad fat that is being stored in the body, and that's the way it can help you to lose weight. The next benefit of olive oil is that it can actually improve brain fog. Several people with thyroid disorders or Hashimoto's disease suffer from brain fog issues where they cannot remember things, their brain is not working as good as it should be, or their concentration is not good. There was a study done in 2019 where olive oil was used in people and it showed that actually reduced the inflammation in the brain and improved their cognition. So again, olive oil can be very beneficial for your brain fog. The next benefit of olive oil is actually especially people who have joint pain or muscle pain issues, because olive oil actually has shown in research studies it can lower inflammation in joints and also improve a blood marker called C-reactive protein, which is a marker of inflammation. And by lowering these things, it was able to improve the pain scores of people suffering from arthritis and pain issues. So you see, these are all the benefits that olive oil can provide to your thyroid, from improving your thyroid numbers as well as reducing the thyroid antibodies as well as improving a lot of symptoms that thyroid disorders come with. Now let's talk about different myths or concerns that people have around olive oil and see what is the best way of using it. So the number one myth that people have about olive oil is that can they cook with it? Because most people think that the smoking point that of olive oil is very low, and if you are doing traditional Indian cooking or any other cooking, then that oil gets converted to trans fats and actually that can harm your body. Now actually there was a research study done which compared olive oil cooking with sunflower oil, canola oil and vegetable oil, and it was shown that olive oil was the most stable cooking oil out of all these oils that was compared. So the smoking point of olive oil is between 200 centigrade to 210 centigrade, which is really good actually. So this research study proves that even when you are cooking with olive oil, it is one of the best oils for cooking because it doesn't get converted to trans fats and actually can provide beneficial oils for your thyroid health. The second myth is that if you cook with olive oil, again that your food loses the nutritional potential. Again, there was a research study done which shows that all these polyphenols and antioxidants that were present in the olive oil, once you start cooking with the olive oil, all these antioxidants actually go to the food and increase the polyphenol content and the antioxidant content of the food and actually makes it much more nutritious for your thyroid health. The next myth which goes around is that, like olive oil is like wine. The longer you keep the olive oil, the better it gets. That is not the reality. In fact, you should consume olive oil within 6 months of opening it, and within 1 year of manufacturing of that olive oil, it should be consumed. So please do not buy olive oil which has been manufactured more than 1 year old, because that loses its potential and nutrient value. So you see, olive oil definitely is a great oil to include in your diet if you have thyroid disorders, and all these myths going around with the olive oil are not true, and now we have good research that supports the use of olive oil on your regular cooking also. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.